The Toyota production system is an organisational culture of continuous improvement that puts people at the centre of everything we do. Toyota has been developing and improving its manufacturing processes for over 70 years. TSSC was born to be the guardians of all of our TPS knowledge and experience from those many years of manufacturing and share that with not only internal Toyota operations for the future, but the broader community as well. There are three key elements to the Toyota production system. The first is the philosophy. It's about how you want to establish and run your business. It's about recognising that people are our most valuable resource, and we develop people through a hands-on approach of problem solving. The next key element is the Toyota tools, and the Toyota toolkit is broken into two basic pillars. The first of those pillars is just in time, and it's about creating continuous flow, ideally one by one, where any disruption is easily visualised. Two is Judoka. Judoka is about the power to stop and detect problems when they occur. The last element of the Toyota production system is the managerial role. It's management's role to develop people to be able to surface and to solve problems. And by doing that, we create a really powerful system that delivers sustainable results. The mission of TSSC in Australia is to contribute to Australian community by sharing our TPS knowledge to strengthen the local economy and local jobs by helping to build strong, stable and sustainable Australian businesses and not-for-profit organisations.
Within the Toyota, we see a problem as a good thing. It's a gap for us to improve and opportunity for us to develop our own, not only just the people, also the process.
In TPS, shop floor focus is important. Like go to the source where the work happens and then engage with the workers because they are the experts of what they're doing, understand their issues and then bring the solutions out of them.
When someone knows what a good job looks like, that sense of fulfillment and reward and purpose is so much higher that people can go home at the end of the day knowing that they've done a good job.
They're harnessing our thinking in their environment and doing it for the benefit of the community that they serve. So I think it doesn't get better than that.
The essence of the Toyota production system is people development. Help grow them as individuals and develop them so then they are able to go and apply the same style of thinking in their everyday life.
TPS and continuous improvement is actually infectious. Once you've learnt it, you don't want to stop and you see lots of opportunities. Ultimately, we create happiness for the people at the businesses that we work with and for them to create happiness for their customers.